Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is Mohamad Ammar bin AZIZAN. My BINTI number is 278642. I'm from Group 2, PBL 2. In STID 3024, Group A, System Analysis and Design. My group system name is Students Movement System. In the short form, SMS. For the presentation content, I will do a SMS 02 user registration, which is from Adilah, and for the content it will contain sequence diagram, communication diagram, and the class diagram. For the user registration, we will go to the sequence diagram first. For the sequence diagram, we have one actor, which is user. It will, for user, it depends for warden, student, or system admin. For the object, we have login panel, registration control, and also user. For the alternative flow, we have verification. For the verification, when the user enter the email, it will generate the verification code. For if the verification code is invalid, it will display the resend code, or if the verification code is valid, it will display the main page, which is the registration is success. For the view user look list, for the alternative flow, we have when the user click the login, it will display all user info, and it will get the user data from the user entity. For the exceptional flow, we have registered user. When the user have an account and it want to register again, it will display the error message. For the incomplete information, for the when the user submit the wrong information or lack information, it will display the lack message lack info. And when the user put the right information, it will save user information. For the last exceptional flow, for the cancellation, if the user click the cancel button when user in the registration page, it will display the login page, which is the first page that we have in the system. Next, we have the communication diagram. Basically, the communication diagram is the flow of the event that we click, and it will go to the login panel, registration control, and the user, and it will back to the registration control and login panel. And for the login panel, it will display the message or anything that have. And lastly, we have class diagram. For the class diagram, we have the type boundary for the login panel, control for the registration control, and entity for the user. Login panel will communicate with registration control, and it will interact with user. It have 6 attributes, which is username, type string, user email, type string, and user ID, type integer, user password, type string, user phone number, integer, and verification code, integer. That's for the class diagram. The attribute is get from the user. And next, the conclusion. For the conclusion, this registration form page is the most important thing before user want to use the system. I hope the program runs smoothly for the system, and it will have the many user, and it will make it easy for the warden and the system admin to track the student. I think that's all from me. Thank you.